Here's your first look at the Vivo X200 Ultra. Has been spotted in the TINA database in China. The X200 Ultra boasts a huge circular camera island. This comes with Zeiss branding in the top right. The X200 Ultra will feature a metal frame. The Vivo X200 Ultra is scheduled to launch by mid to late April this year. The Vivo X200 Ultra will introduce an action button on the lower right side of the device, designed primarily for quick access to photography and videography functions. The Vivo X200 Ultra features the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, with up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 2TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The camera setup is expected to include a 50MP Sony LYT-818 primary camera, a 200MP telephoto lens with an 85mm focal length, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP macro telephoto lens. A 50-megapixel selfie camera. The X200 Ultra will capture 4K 120fps video on all cameras, feature a 6.82-inch 2K OLED quad-curve display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 5000 nits. It packs a massive 6000 mAh battery capacity. It also supports 100W wired fast charging, 50W wireless fast charging. It is likely that the X200 Ultra could be priced at around 5,500 yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.